In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a phone number to a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are working from the correct page profile and not your personal account. This is important because contact details must be edited directly from the business page. Once you are on your business page, look for the About tab. Click on it to open the page information section. This area contains the main details for your business, including your description, contact options, and other public information that visitors can see. Inside the About section, find the Contact Info area. Click on Contact Info to open the available contact fields. Here you will be able to manage the ways customers can reach your business through your Facebook page. Next, locate the phone number field. If your page does not already have a phone number listed, you should see an option to add one. If a number is already there and you want to update it, select the Edit option next to the phone number field. Now enter your business phone number into the field provided. Be careful to type it exactly the way you want it to appear on your page. This phone number may be visible to customers, so accuracy is important. Make sure the number is current and belongs to the correct department or location if your business has multiple contact lines. After entering the number, take a moment to review it carefully. Check for any typing errors, missing digits, or formatting issues. A quick review at this stage can help prevent confusion later and make sure customers can contact your business without any problems. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the change. Facebook should then update your business page with the new contact information. After saving, return to the main view of your business page and confirm that the phone number is displayed correctly. This final check helps ensure the update was successful and that visitors can now see the right contact information on your page. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.